So right now I have a old wool jacket that is kind of beat up and used. I'm trying to teach a lesson right now. And for $10, you could buy a blanket sewing kit. It comes with these squares that have these cutouts, and then you just tie them together. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna trace the squares on the old jacket. I could probably get 4 out of it, and we'll add it to our blanket. Okay, so we traced out the template that they gave us, and we have these, they look like thick tees, I guess. And we're gonna go back, we're gonna lay the template on top, and then see how I have a little excess. We're just gonna trim that off, and then we're just gonna take the marker, and we're gonna go down these slits and then trace them, and then we're gonna cut them. And then once we do that, they should look something like this. All right.